Hi, this is A. Mujawar sir, founder and director of Vikas Career Academy, Dharwad. So, ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸುಕನ್ಯಾ is here. So she is a student of Vikas Career Academy. She had joined the class, ago 3 months, before 3 months. Now she is speaking very fluent English. You can see here, I tell her in Kannada, she will translate it to English, and same time she will give her opinion also in English. Are you ready, Sukanya?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
I sing a song.
I sing a song. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
I am singing a song.
ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I have sung a song.
ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
I have been singing a song since morning.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹಾಡಿದೆ.
I sang a song yesterday.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
I was singing a song yesterday.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
I had sung a song yesterday.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ ಹಾಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೆ.
I had been singing a song since yesterday.